These are the ingredients for my oha soup or ora soup. So right here are the vegetables I'll be using, and this is the oha leaf or ora leaf, depends on your Igbo location, and this is the uziza leaf. It adds a great flavor to the soup. So right here are the fresh pepper I'll be using: smoked fish, stock fish, dry fish, and some amount of crayfish. And here we have the ginger and garlic paste, the achi for the thickener, and seasoning cubes. And I'm using cow meat, then palm oil, and medium-sized onions. So now I have washed the cow meat, and I'm adding my onions into the pot. My seasoning cubes goes in now. Your seasoning cubes according to your taste. Depends on you. Depends on what you like. And now my ginger and garlic paste. You can also add your fresh ginger and garlic. But right here I'm using the paste. And salt to taste. Salt according to your taste, depends on you too. And now I'll add my stock fish. So I'll add a little bit of water so the stockfish can soften. Then I'll stir. Then I also add my smoked fish. Then my crayfish and pepper I pound. Then this is my oha leaf. This is how I pluck them out of the stem. This is how I get them out of the stem. So right now I've washed my oha leaves and I'm going to be tearing them. The same thing I would do with the uziza leaf. I don't cut oha leaf, I don't cut uziza leaf. I just take them and tear into pieces. So my soup is boiling already. I've added my palm oil and my achi already. So right now I'm adding my vegetables. My vegetable is the last thing I'm adding in this soup. So my achi is already in the soup and is actually thick. So after adding my vegetables, I'll leave it to simmer a bit. For the leaf to be softened a bit. And my oha soup ready. Okay, so this is my oha soup. Looking pretty. With your choice of swallow. So my choice of swallow here is eba, gari. So please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to like this video. Don't forget to share your view in the comment section. What do you think about this Igbo soup? Is it easy? Is it hard? Would you be doing this? Thank you for watching. See you in my next video. Bye.